Hello, welcome to STEM School. Today we're going to talk about unknown with multiplication and division. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's take a look what we have here. So we have here 8 equations, okay, and our tasks is to find what's the missing number is here, what's the question mark, what number should be put here as A, what number should be put here as B, what number should be the star, and what number should be C, and what number should be X, and what number should be Y. Okay, so now let's find out. So let's take a look at our first equation. Okay, so we got 7 here, 7 times something equals 14. So we already know 7 times 1 equals 7. And let's try 7 times 2 equals 14, right? So here we got 2 in this case. Okay, 7 times 2 equals 14. So here, the question mark, something divide 6 equals 3. So the question mark will be equal to 3 times 6, right? So 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18, okay, from a multiplication table. So if you've watched the multiplication table lesson, so you will know that 3 times 6 is 18. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 6 is 18, okay? So the question mark is 18 here. Okay, so 18 divide 6 equals 3. So 8 times 4 equals 20. So what should be the A there? So let's try 3 times 4 first. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So it's still small, it's not reached 20 yet. So let's try 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 equals 24. Okay, so wow, it's too big. So we got 20 here. So 3 is too small, 6 is too big. So let's try 5 here. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay, so A here equals 5 because we got 5 times 4 equals 20. All right, so let's find out 30 equals something. So B times 5. So what should be the B here? So okay, so let's first try 4. So let's first try 4 here. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, which is not 30, so it's much smaller. So and 5 times 5, let's try 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25, not 30 yet. And 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay, so B should be 6. Okay, 30 equals 6 times 5. Now let's take a look at this equation. So we got the star here, right? So star here. So star divide 5. So 7 equals star divide 5. So star probably equals let's say 7 times 5, right? 7 times 5. So what's 7 times 5? So if you are familiar with multiplication table, you will immediately know that it is the number, but if you don't remember multiplication table, then let's try. So 7 times 2, we got 6 here. 7 times 2 is 14, right? And 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 times 4 is 28. And 7 times 5 equals 35. Okay, 35. So we got star here equals 35. So 35 divide 5 equals 7. Okay, so let's find out C here. So C equals 21 divide 7. So in other words, C times 7 equals 21 here. Okay, so what's C then? So we got 7 times 2 or 2 times 7 equals 14. And 7 times 3 equals 21, right? 7 times 3, which is also 3 times 7. So we got C here actually equals 3. Okay, so 3 equals 21 divide 7. All right, so now let's take a look here. So 49 divide x equals 7. Okay, so we need to find x. So it's actually is 49 equals 7 times x. Okay, 7 times 6. So what's the x? So that we can get 49. So we already know from the above example that 7 times 3 equals 21, which is small, right? So let's try more. So we got from the other above example here, we got 7 times 5 got 35. Still 35 is smaller than 49, right? So let's try more. So 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, oh, we are close. We are closer. So 7 times 6, not the 1, not 6, but 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 times 7, so x actually equals 7, right? So we got here x equals 7. So actually 49 divided 7 equals 7. Okay, so let's take a look at our final example here. So 6 times y equals 54. Okay, so we need to try to find what is y here. Okay, so let's try some number. So 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay, 30 is still smaller than 54, so probably not 6 times 5. So let's try 8. So because 30 is a lot smaller than 54, so let's try 8. So 6 times 8, if you take a look at the multiplication table, that would be 48. Okay, 48. So okay, it is closer. So y is not 8 but larger than 8. So 6 times 8 is 40, or 6 times 8 is 48. Then let's try 9. So 6 times 9 equals 54. Okay, 6 times 9. So y here is actually 9. Okay, so 6 times 9 equals 54. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.